Hey guys, this is quiz 1.12, example 4. What is the value of x? So first we need the sum of the interior angles. So we look at 180 times n minus 2. N is the number of sides. This has 5 sides, so 180. 5 minus 2, which is 180 times 3, and that is 540. So this total is 540 degrees. So we write an equation that 62 plus 98 plus 112 plus 103 plus x equals 540. We combine our like terms. 62 plus 98 plus 12 plus 103. That gives us 375 plus x equals 540. Subtract 375 from both sides. That gives us x equals 165.